Okay, let's do another 50p coin hunts. Bag number 2 from the 4 that I started with when I did the Mega Marathon Monday. I still have to think about that as I say it. The Mega Marathon Monday video. So this is the third bag of this 4-bag set. I'm gonna basically see if I had chosen this bag, would I have done better in that competition? So we'll find out. Okay, so let's grab the first bag right there from the top. Oh my word, can't get into this. I need some. Oh, these are Northern hard bags, aren't they? Yeah, that's what these are. Right, last week's video was a bust bag start, and just like last week's video, I couldn't get my words out. Oh, I can't get my words out this week. Oh, I don't know what I'm saying. It's been 5 minutes since my last video. It's been a week for you guys, so that is a 2019 Shield. So there's my first commemorative of today's hunt, and it is, of course, we all know, the memorial coin with King Charles. There we go. Cool. That's a coin. Oh my word, that is a cool coin to start a hunt with, I think. A Pride 50p. There we go, Ironside, nice one. Haven't found him in a little while actually, I don't think. Can't think of the last time. Hey, Peter Rabbit 2017. There we go, welcome find. We've had a few bags bust, and we found another Ironside. So that's cool. Yeah, we're just going through these. What's this I found at the back? There we go. Alright, so I hope you like the Mega Marathon Monday videos. I hope you did. Hopefully we'll do that again next year, sometime one of the May bank holidays next year. That'd be cool. We can do that as an annual tradition. There you go, Diversity Built Britain. Probably push it back to the end of May or the last May bank holiday, just to give it a bit more space between that and the Easter Bunny hunt that we seem to do on a regular basis now, annual basis, whatever. Libraries. Yeah, if you like that, we can do that again. Someone else can win another cube. Thank you to all the channels that took part. A lot of hard work and patience dealing with me went into that. So I appreciate that, gents. Tom Kitten. Spooky eyes to go with the 2017 Peter Rabbit. Dictionary. Dictionary. Love to hate the dictionary. Shield, shield, shield. A 2022. What's that going to be? Another Pride. We found 9 prides last week, so will we beat that record-breaking high score for prides? A heroic act, Victoria Cross. Anything else in this bag? No. Oh, 2018. 2018. So what's that going to be? It's a People Act. Nice one. I forget that's 2018. I think, oh, could it be a Potter, or is it going to be a Paddington? Oh no, People Act. It's a busy year, wasn't it? 2018. There you go, a Brexit. There we go. There we go. Yes, so 2018 actually was a busy year, and of course that was probably, we had some coins in 2019 but not as many, and of course then the world fell apart in 2020 and we didn't get the Team GB Tokyo Olympics coin, did we? I don't know if that was going to go into circulation, but yeah, so it went a bit downhill from then. I think 2018 was probably the last great year for new coins. Of course then we had Queenie died, and then the coin world was rocked again. and all our worlds turned upside down. Well, regarding coins, of course. And now, you know, we don't get so many coins going into circulation, but I think it's a fascinating time to be a coin collector right now. Absolutely fascinating, thinking what could happen. We don't know how long the king is going to be, you know, he's 73, 74, whatever. We don't know how long he's going to be around. Paddington at the cathedral. It could be that within a few short years we could get William on a coin. Have 3 monarchs in circulation. That'd be a bit nuts, wouldn't it? You never know. Oh, Team GB. It's the Rio Olympic Team GB. Jeremy Fisher. I don't see him a lot, actually, I don't think. I wasn't expecting to see him. I thought it might be a Benjamin Bunny. Our first Benjamin Bunny. Oh, 2020. What's that going to be? Brexit. Down there. Another Ironside. I did say I haven't found one of those in a little while now. Found 3. Oh, platinum anniversary. Cool. $2022. What's that one gonna be? Another pride coin. Oh dear. Oh, I guess it had to happen at some point. Oh well, look. That was another pride coin. I have found Benjamin Bunny there. That fell out of that. I dropped that one, as it were. There we go. And Queenie's up the right way. Shame. Oh, last 2 bags. Okay, so last bag. We found some nice coins, a nice little selection of coins, but it's been a bit of a dull hunt, hasn't it? But there we go. We can't find Olympics every week. He says, hoping that this is some last bag luck. And there's an Olympic here in this bag waiting for me. Surely I can't find a Q in the last few coins. No, probably not. 2020 again there. What's that one? 19 shield. Let's say 2020, another shield, which is 2013. 9, 10, 11, 16, 18. Right, okay, that's nothing. And then we finish on a Diversity Built Britain. There we go. No, 2 of those. So how many prides did we get this week? 6. 6. So we didn't beat last week's total of 9. Anyway, I think pretty much I might still keep the memorial coin, but even though I'm getting a bit thinking they're going to be loads, I think everything else is going back to the bank. So I'll keep the bunny, of course. Keep Benjamin, everything else, and we'll go back, I think. I don't think there's anything in there that I need for my album. I think I'm way past any of this lot. Right, that's alright. Then I don't take more money out of my float, my kitty, do I? So Memorial and Benjamin Bunny. There we go. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Like, subscribe, notification bell, all that stuff. And until next week's video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect.